Yeah, it is fantastic and really inspiring. It's basically new to me. Basically, what we normally think about leaders is entirely different from what is servant leadership, and I think it's a different philosophy where it has to be implemented in this type of organization like UST. The 3-7-10 framework is basically it really do the trick. We are helping our team members to achieve their goals and enriching them that will benefit the entire organization. It's a different and wonderful philosophy. Yeah, absolutely. I think each session is great for me and it's new for me, and taking up lots of things with me, and I would really interested and surprise. I mean, interested in implementing it in my team.